Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Range Rover Evoque headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a screwdriver, a new bulb, and some protective gloves. It's crucial to ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. Always consult your owner's manual for specific model instructions before starting. Now, open your vehicle's hood and find the back of the headlight assembly you need to work on. You'll typically see an access panel or cover that needs to be removed. Carefully unclip or unscrew this cover. Next, locate the electrical connector attached to the bulb and gently press its release tab to disconnect it. With the connector detached, you'll usually find a retaining spring or a twist lock mechanism holding the bulb in place. Unclip the spring or twist the holder counterclockwise to release it. Gently pull the old bulb straight out. When inserting the new bulb, hold it by its base and avoid touching the glass to prevent contamination and premature failure. Once the new bulb is in place, secure it by re-engaging the retaining spring or twisting the holder clockwise. Reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Finally, replace the access panel or cover and close your vehicle's hood. Turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly and shining brightly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.